Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Apple gift card on Brawl Stars. Let's jump right in. First, you need to redeem your Apple gift card. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on your profile icon top right corner of the screen and select the redeem gift card or code. And here you'll see two options. You can use your camera to scan the code or enter the gift card code manually. Then, tap Redeem to add balance to your Apple ID. To verify balance is added, after redeeming, your Apple ID balance will be updated. You can check your balance by going to App Store, then click the profile, then go to Apple ID balance. Then, launch the Brawl Style on your device. The Brawl Stars, just go to the shop section inside the game and select the items you want to purchase, like for example, their gems, skins, offers, and more. When you tap to purchase, Apple will automatically use your Apple ID balance and simply confirm the payment using the Face ID, Touch ID, or password, and done. Your Apple gift card balance is now used to buy in-game items. Make sure that you have enough balance to cover the full cost on the item that you are buying. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching.